Right, so 47, right?
Yes.
And if the Bulls take complete control, then 47 will be eventually taken, not the first at the on the first attempt, and then a continuation to 54. So write this down: 47 recoil, 54 recoil, 17 bounce. Let's go ahead and get us the what's going to happen in the interim. All right, so let's make sure that we understand, right? We have a bullish bias. It's unbelievable, right? But we all know that the smart money is going to take it down before it goes to where they really want to go. And if they do 31, they're going to take it to a divider range 22, 24. It's not going to be taken easily. The squeeze is, of course, 17, which is our main support, right? So the price is before it goes to 38, 47, 54 later today. Is the smart money going to take it down all the way to 17 so that they can take all the stops of all the weak bulls and then go back up? That's the plan. That's what we're going to be looking at, and we are really on top of it. Hey, why don't we take a shot short 31, man, so that we can ride it to 24. Let's see how it's going to behave, the price first. Okay, we see the momentum a little closer, right? We know that this is support. Then the odds, ladies and gentlemen, are now that yes, 31 is going to be taken. Smart money are going to take all the stops of all the weak bears, and they're going to do everything in their power to take it all the way to 24, 22. So short term, sure, but we know that they want to bring it up later on. So let's do it. And that's what we call prediction addiction, right, Mystique?
That's right.
Isn't that exactly what we said?
That's exactly what
Confirmation price is going to break to the downside. And where is it going?
you
To 22, 24, right?
That's correct.
All righty then. So take your 5, 6, 7, 8 points, stop, break even, let it ride. Listen, the bulls are still in control. This is just scalping momentum, all right? All right. Look at the bounce mistake right off of the middle of 22 and 24.
Yeah.
Look at that bounce. So not only here at Capital Trade Center, we know exactly which way the market is going to break before it does it. We also know exactly where it's going. And that, my friends, is the only way to trade this thing. There is no other way to trade it. If you don't have that information, if you don't know how to calculate that, if you cannot calculate and predict that, how can you possibly trade the open? You know, it just can't be done. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so 22, really nice, right? For the bounce. What do we need to know? We need to know whether there is being a new change in forward direction, and we believe it is. So we are stop break even and breaking this 22. We've all known that this is a profit taken, but it'll be broken and it'll continue going to our 17. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna move down 17, 2 more points to 15. So 15, ladies and gentlemen, is gonna be target 1. 15, of course, 17. That's pretty good, right? Couple of 30 seconds after I told you it'll break 22 and continue going down, it just went to 19. So let it ride. Okay, remember that we're different from all the other, from traders that just don't know how to let it ride. Is it guaranteed that it's going to go to my 17 break and continue 2 more points to 15? Of course not. We all know that that's called the Holy Grail, but that's what we're going to go after. Right, Mystic? 20 is the low, right? 20
Yes,
is the
20.
low of our sideways wave. Look, price goes 3 ticks below 20, giving us a beautiful 3-tick room to pull the trigger long, shorter time, and look at this gorgeous, beautiful bounce off of 20 all the way to 32. That's 12 points on that bounce of the buy, of the low, of the wave. And we know that we've had a bullish bias all morning, right? To where? To 38 and 47. That's who's in control right now. You're right. As long as we are above, what was that I say, 28, right?
Yes.
Well, comfortable all the way to 38 and 47. All right, so as long as the price is, we're gonna move it up from 28 to 30. As long as the price is below 30, so like I told you, we're expecting to eventually, sometime this year, the price go to our 17. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I told you below 28, which we moved to 30, comfortably going to 17. Would you say this is a comfortable move? Would you say this is a comfortable move? Almost a straight line, right? Well, that's what the astute trader needs to know way before it happens. I don't know, I think I missed it by, what's that, one tick? Is this 15 quarter? Not quite 15? All right, well, I guess back to the drawing board. Oh, no need to go back to the drawing board. I believe that's 15. All right, let's see target 2 now. In the meantime, let's enjoy the counter trend long. Look at this, from 14 all the way to 20. That's 6 points, the counter trend. All right, so enjoy it, right? Remember, this can turn easily, turn out to be a new trend. So hang on to it. Hang on to it, but make no mistake, the main play still bearish to target 2, which we are still looking. This is just in the meantime, enjoy these 6 points, right? And more, right? We don't have to get out of, stop, break even, let it ride, right? Both ways. Okay? You don't like to counter trend, just concentrate on target 2 then, which the market's gonna give it to us pretty soon. I don't know if pretty soon, but we'll have target 2 as long as there is no change in direction, official main play long, then the market will give us target 2 for the down break, which right now is of course all the way to 5,000, right? Even the teenagers on YouTube, all those fake teenagers traders, even they know that. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the reason that we counter trend. If we know that the odds are that the price is gonna bounce, why not take it? Whether it's a counter trend or not, it doesn't matter. Look at that, we just made 11 points on this counter trend.